Alright guys, we are on the Little Toot boat ride. Going to see some dolphins.
Alright man, I think I just seen some roebucks floating.
We have to look at the roebucks. Let's see where they go out to the water for the roebucks.
Oh my god. It was right there.
Oh yeah, it is right there. Look.
It's squirting water.
Oh yeah, they right here.
It was squirting water out of Wow! Here they are, we got the first yacht! Wow! They're catching up! Alright, starboard side guys, it's starboard side! Starboard side now! Whoa! Port side!
Let me see where is it.
Sun is shining all day, sand between my toes, waves crashing on the bay, feel that warm breeze blow, no worries on my mind, just leave stress behind, palm trees in the line, find that peace I find, vacation time, I'm feeling so fine, living in the moment, sipping on sunshine. Music in the air, laughter everywhere, dancing without a care, soaking up the flare, midnight bonfire light, stars are shining bright, everything feels right, in this paradise night, vacation time, I'm feeling living in the moment, sipping on sunshine.
Cold in the mud out there. It feels like it's about 30 degrees in the water.
Dancing without a care, soaking up the flare.
Let's see what they about to do.
Stars are shining bright, everything feels right in this paradise night. Vacation,
Tic-tac-toe board.
I'm feeling so right.